Hey guys, today we're going to be playing Animal Restaurant, and it's actually a good game and I've played a bit before. But all you have to do is just play in a restaurant and get money. So, it's updating at the moment, so I'll just tell you what's all about. So you get rating by getting furniture, and you get cod by serving customers and other cool stuff. So I'll be having this in a series. And my voice sounds weird, it's because I'm ill. There. Oh, that's a nice cafe. That's a nice fish. Life in Goonies kitchen began. Oh, nice. Oh. Ooh. There we go. 500, that's it. Ooh. Just get this. Imagine if I can buy something that, oh god. Imagine if I just go on table 2. Oh, you know. What? Okay. Yep. Why are they both 150? Just give me more money and make it expensive. Just kidding, don't do that. Ugh. Hey guys, I'm back. It's just at the blowing my nose. So, okay, this is cool. You can also swipe if you need to, instead of all that. In a minute. Oh, this is so satisfying being on flyer promo. Yeah. Oh, let's just do it. Totally, I made this up. And you can actually swipe inside. I enjoy the swipe a lot. Anyway, this is like the cheapest one ever. Buffet is like the one that everyone wants to get at the start for some reason. This is too easy. Okay. The ads they put up here nowadays are just over. Seriously. I think usually the strategy is to just get all the tables ASAP and then like after that we'll worry about the kitchen. There. No, I'm not gonna watch it. I'm gonna try and play the whole game without ads. So, which is gonna be fun, I guess. Without those ads at the moment. What the hell is that? Serious? What is that? Anyway, it's weird when it's up again and you progress all over to do stuff. So what have we got here? There's a takeout store. That looks cool. Yeah, you've seen the garden already. Fish pond. Vegetable garden. Look, that buffet already. Ooh. Oh, 200 stars on Lock Courtyard. That's interesting. Let's look at the map. Oh, there's a terrace that will be later. Yeah, it's showing us all. That actually looks like a better thing than this. Like, the things where you... Like, the map isn't accurate, I meant. Like, it's not down there. It's, like, straight across. And then garden's the same. Yeah. Oh, that's weird. Anyway, we're doing well. We're getting a lot of money coming in. Let's just see. It's still on because it usually switches off, sorry. Now, let's check this. Ooh, yay. Let's just spam this for a bit because, like, it takes your money, but you get money back. Those are your tasks actually, which are really cool. I mean, those are also called tasks down there, the checklist. Oh, first just gonna go in the menu and just start buying everything. Oh, wait, how much is what? That's hard to get at the start. Seriously, that's hard. And then you need a lot of waiting for that as well. Oof. There we go, let's take that. That's ooh, looks nice. Free stuff for watching ads, but no. Wait, also, I think you can get free diamonds. Oh yeah, you can get free diamonds each day. Also, if it says more free diamonds, just don't tap on that. It's for games, random games. But it's fake. It doesn't work. Every single time I try, it just goes, no, you don't have it, or it doesn't meet the requirements at the moment, or something. No, it just doesn't let you ever use that game again. It's just for advertising games, and then you end up playing games some year. And then they get money as well for downloading it. The people in the games. I have no idea how to put a commentary about this. Okay. Well, anyway, it's a bit disturbing, not gonna lie, that it says welcome to Gummy's Kitchen each time you do a promotion. Like, seriously. I just want to read that. Actually, I think like the fire promotion is actually the best promotion you can have. Because like you can have very fast ways to get a lot of customers coming in, and it attracts a bunch of customers who give you money a bunch, and it isn't that many taps, like it's just 5. Let me test it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Still, that's fast if you do double things, or just box like that. Very satisfying for some reason. Anyway, let's get this here. Oh, I think what I normally do is actually get all the tip desks to like here, because like that's a lot. And then like, oh, I can't wait until I have that. That's satisfying looking. That also is like not bad. This is cool though. I wish. Wait, what's the most expensive? 15 million? That's a lot. Oh, 35 million. Ooh. Wait, how? Oh, that's a bit expensive. Someday we will have all of those items and we can just swap to them at any point. That will be satisfying. Oh, I remember when you had to get the Gachapon task. I'm not going to spoil anything for you. It's just called Get the Gachapon Machine. Anyway, let's hire Eggy sometime. I need more money. The weight is actually mediocrely good. Like, if you still spam it, you can actually still be able to do it pretty easily. Like, you can get a few out of that. Like, you can always keep it on max. Ugh. I don't want to annoy you guys. There are a number of people in the queue let them enjoy the food. That much there. Yay, tips. They actually don't put the money in there. It's actually the furniture that puts it in there. Okay, I can hire people, yeah. And also, I think that you can hire a guy who goes here and you can get a bunch of COD out with him. And there's other ones that do that, like free probably. Hope so. Need 8,000 and I think that's the one that gives me more like that. I mean, he's my favourite out of all of them. That again. We'll have to put epilepsy warnings on this video. I mean, like, I think, ow, my eyes hurt from this. I mean, I've just been gaming like for the past 2 days, so I can get YouTube videos out, and because I was ill, so like, there's nothing to do. I hate when I'm ill and there's nothing. Nothing to do. Flipping it. Can't what? You don't remember anything? Can I eat that? Huh? I don't think you can eat that, sir. Oh, wild friend, that looks cool. Picked from the neighbour's garden. Table 4, yeah. Ah! Rich kid! Where are you? Where are you? Oh, he just walks in. Yeah, I love when a rich kid comes. He just gives you so much money. Especially if you start starting a meal. Butterfly time. Ooh. Quadruple butterfly. All my funds used to come from this guy. Imagine if you played this game, just the only money you could get was from this guy. That would be hard because you couldn't pick up anything next to the customers just in case. And then of course there'd be like the auto earnings that you get. I mean, there isn't any, but in the buffet there would be like 10 million just sitting there and you can't do anything. And then the tips would be annoying. So you've hit the max all the time. That's annoying. Anyway, let's get our second stove, kitchen. Actually, no, not that. Stove 3. Third stove, actually. Tasks, yay. 27. Ugh. Claim. 25 stars, yay. Claim. This is good money. I like the tasks at the start because they give you a lot of nice things. Oh, yay. Okay. Oh, yeah, actually got a calendar. I can't do anything. Oh, there. Still there. Gave me all the stuff before my restaurant becomes too crowded. Please. Rocky Heath is like one of the nicest things here. I mean, animals. Give me a... Oh, yay. I got a diamond. 1 or 2. Yeah. I just predicted it. Plates for no reason. Bells. That's really late. How? Huh? Why is there bottles? Okay, bottles for later. Oh, I killed the bottle beater. That's not supposed to be there until you get the terrace, which is like here. That's ages. And you need a lot of it. Oh, 4,000. That's really slow. Ooh, that's a nice amount of money. What I typically do is just get too much money. Like get enough money for, get 100,000 and then just go spend it on easy stuff. Or I just get 5 million and do the later parts of the game and just spend it on random and too expensive stuff. And then lose all in 5 minutes. Or I just do staff raises randomly and have no idea why they start being actually better. Doing the promote is actually one of the ones that is hard to actually realise what he's for at the start. You're very useful. Well done, Eggy. I'm sure we all love Eggy. If we didn't, there would be no point to him. Wait, that's 1 million. What? Okay, that's like kind of cool how you can just have that. Whoa. You just get random things and then you don't end up using them ever. Okay. Hate when I open these and then I end up being helpless later, not being able to do anything. They're just stuck there. There we go, a lot of money, yay. Give me it all. There, take this. I think I'm actually going to be the first YouTuber who actually, on Resturant, who actually speaks through the whole gameplay instead of just giving you tips like another good guy. I forgot his YouTube channel name, but he's a good, oh wait, his name is Fat Gooby, I think or something. Wait, no, that's the wrong one. Fat Gooby also is cool, but he doesn't talk ever. Still, that was a different one. There was something about a calculator, I don't know. Anyway, I mean the channel name is about calculator. I don't know. Search me, I have no idea about him. Except for like 2 minutes of a video. Chicken, huh? Okay, that's very interesting. Not gonna buy it. I don't like beans. Never did. Don't trust them. This is always so off center until we realise that the bar's just sitting right here. It's still annoying. I need the bar to get rid of this eyesore. Not the dessert bar. It's the coffee bar. Yeah, really? It's just a wine. Oh, wait, I meant bar. This one. Not this great looking one. It's the alcoholic one where we have drunk, fallen asleep rabbits. What does that mean? I have no idea what I'm saying anymore. Yay, thank you Reggie for giving me free money from corners. Thank goodness you don't keep it all to yourself. Or keep any of it to yourself. ... Get me this! I have 67 stars. Well done! I had to take a screenshot. Like, seriously. Whoever manages to get exactly 67 stars. Anyway, I should shut up about that. I hate how I just be over there. Finally, I actually got it exactly. It's hard to do that except with cell phone promo. Skull face. Anyway, where's the thing I need? There, give me this. See, now it's not as annoying. I am going to go crazy. Stop it. Anyway, how much is like the most expensive? What? A car? What? What's the point in this? Okay, I have no idea. What? Huh? This is not the amount of money you have to pay for carpets in real life. 24. Very comfortable, but okay. That's a bad one. How long has this been going on? 19 minutes. I think we'll have to cut it here, guys. So, I've had a good time with this. I think I will do a lot more of this because it's really fun. So, see you next time. And you should like and subscribe if you watch it this far.